Hello everybody, Ben Ditmar here again. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video to Old Engine Dude channel. Life's been busy. Anyway, today is January 20th, 2021, and I've been doing something a little bit different. I just finished a rebuild on this Stihl 026 chainsaw here, and I figured I'd make a video of it. I just did cylinder and piston, crankshaft seals, carburetor rebuild, all the rubber fuel lines, intake boot. I did new air filter. I did order a new bar and chain that just hasn't arrived yet. But we're just doing some break-in on it right now. We're just letting it run for a while and trying to seat it in. So we'll give it a little show on this one. So my videos are more about how it runs, you know, how well the repair turned out and such like that. I'm going to keep nibbling away at this log. I'm going to burn a tank of fuel through it. Right now it's mixed at 32 to 1. I did idle a single tank of 16 to 1 through it. It actually idled for about a little over 2 hours on that single tank of 16 to 1. So now we're just on its second tank. We're going to start putting the gas to it and try to seat in that cylinder. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.